to me.
He knows.
I say me, Rax.
Birthday to you. Doesn't it seem funny that
Okay, ready?
they share a birthday?
No, it's
Happy
you.
birthday to
And
Braxton.
Brigden.
Happy birthday to Brigden.
Brax.
Braxton.
Happy birthday, Braxton
Braxton
Brigden.
The twins.
Happy birthday.
Birthday to
you.
Dad said he doesn't like singing.
You want to go to bed?
He does for some.
What?
He does. There's some things he doesn't like the vacuum he hates, and he.
Okay, ready
He
to
doesn't
blow
like
it
You
out?
know what? Maybe it's the
I'll help
tones.
I
Maybe
can't.
it's a
Happy
song.
birthday to Pretty Boy. Happy birthday to Pretty Boy. Oh, to Grammy. Happy birthday to Pretty Braxton, Bailey, Brigden, Brian,
He loves Robin. He kept saying.
Nani, Bobby,
Anytime we say birthday, he'd say Robin.
Bob, and Tammy.
He'd say, "How old are you going to be,
Birthday
Robin?
To everybody.
What are you going to do on your birthday, Robin?" I don't know why. Oh, we weren't at the end of the song yet.
Briggy didn't blow his own out.